All right, what's up, guys? Dave here. As of now, you've probably seen our intro to our Overland trailer build projects that we're doing. So I'm gonna get started on mine. Actually, I already did get started. I got too excited and didn't even start filming. So show you what we got going on here.
Roll the intro.
We got a whole bunch of steel that I bought. Most of this is actually going to be going into this trailer because I'm going to need a trailer to haul this and the Overland trailer that I'm building. So I got started. Got some cross pieces here, some frame rails there. Time to get to work. Also, this is definitely not meant to be like a tutorial of any kind. Nothing like that. It's probably nobody should follow anything that I do. So I'm making this all up in my head as I go. I don't have any plans drawn out. I just have a vague idea of what I want. So we're gonna go for it, see what happens. Alright, so here's the basic shape. I'll have a couple more cross braces in there. This is all made out of 2-inch square tubing, 120 wall. Should be plenty strong, I would think. Alright, here you go. This kind of gives you an idea what we're going for here. I've chosen to go with some torsion axles instead of a solid axle across the frame there. I wanted as much clearance as I could get through the middle. Hopefully that'll be okay and it doesn't just create a bouncing mess of a trailer. Don't judge too harshly on the welds. I learned everything I know about welding in high school 20 years ago. I think I did okay. Little Harbor Freight welder does pretty good job for this 1/8 inch steel. Not building a freaking aircraft carrier or nothing. So yeah, there's progress so far. All right, progress update on this trailer frame. Got the frame all built. Got the torsion axles on. Can't see what we're going with there. I don't know how this is gonna work out as far as bouncing down the trail. I don't know if it's gonna give a better ride or a worse ride. I don't really know. But 2-inch square tubing all the way around, except for right here. I got some 6-inch by 2-inch rectangular tube to mount the torsion axles to. These old tires here come off somebody's Jeep, and they were dirt cheap. Paid next to nothing for them, but they're pretty hammered. Hopefully they'll serve the purpose for what I need for right now. I wish I'd have found a wheel with a different offset. These are too offset. They're sticking out too far, in my opinion. Would much rather have had something a little better, but there's not a whole lot of clearance there between the actual axle and the wheel. I could probably get away with another inch, but that's probably about all. So next step is to build the top. And that's what I'm working on downstairs right now. All right, guys, there you go. There's the base, I guess, of my build. What do you think so far? I don't know, I think I did okay. I literally have not touched a welder since my senior year in high school, and that's been since 1999. Aging myself a little bit here. But things came together pretty well. Should we give you a rundown on what money I've spent so far on what you've seen? Let's kind of give you an idea where I'm at on my $1,500 budget. The steel. Not all the steel you saw in there, only the steel I'm using on the trailer. Look at my note here. I used $200 worth of steel in what you saw right there. Torsion axles and the hub kit, it all came together as one deal. Those cost $346 for that setup. And the tires and wheels that you saw, real sweet setup there. Those tires are very questionable at best. I'm into those 30 bucks. That was a Facebook Marketplace find, and I feel pretty good about that. I wish I could have found all the steel I needed on the Facebook Marketplace. I don't know, maybe I need to start looking for like bed frames or something for future projects. But so far, 576 bucks. I think I'm doing okay. I got a lot more stuff to do. So one thing we haven't still decided on is how we're gonna judge our trailer builds against each other. What do you guys think we should do? How should we judge it? I think you guys, the viewers, should probably judge in the end about who wins. What do you think it should be judged on? And then what do we get? What's the winner going to get for winning? I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Let us know what you think about that. And thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support you've given. And until the next one, we'll see you later.